Good afternoon, Dr. Prakash sir, and all respected resource persons. My topic: automated highway system and intelligent transportation system. Introduction. Firstly, I would like to discuss introduction. The automated highway system concept defines a new relationship between vehicles and the highway infrastructure. Automatic highway system refers to a set of designated lanes on a limited access roadway where specially equipped vehicles are operated under completely automatic control. The system concept and technologies. Concept of automated highway system can be classified into two groups: partially automated systems and full automated system. Depend on the extent of the automation. Partially automated system includes notification and warning systems, temporary emergency controls, and continuous partial controls, which takes limited control of the vehicles and emergency situations. They automated certain routine parts of driving, but really on manual control for most driving functions. Fully automated driving would let drivers be totally designated from all driver tasks. National Automated Highway System Research Program. Some limitations of public and private partnership. The National Automated Highway System Research Program enhanced the transportation community's understanding and recognition of the numerous technical and practical issues associated with full automated vehicles and highways. The consortium's structure and operational limitations. The first one is the implausibility of the partnership, the overall optimistic mission, failure to address the technological issues, public acceptances. Some major importance: improve safety by significantly reducing, number one, personal injury, pain and suffering, anxiety and stress of driving. Save money and optimum investments. Improve accessibility and mobility by improving employees' on-time performance, resulting in a more effective workforce, facilitating just-in-time deliveries, improving public transportation service, increasing customer access and expanding services levels, achieving a smooth traffic flow, reducing delays, travel time variability, and driving streams, making driving more accessible to less able drivers. Yes, sir. I would like to conclude my topic. It is important to demonstrate that AHS brings major transportation benefits in terms of safety, efficiency, environment in order to achieve its development goals. Yet, as we can see in the case of NAHSRP program, accepts is not just based solely just technological capabilities, but also on people's social, economical, and environmental concerns. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.